So if you're having message swipe reply over on your Instagram, like you're not able to reply to any specific message over on Instagram, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First of all, go to your Google Play Store or App Store, anything you have, and then search for Instagram there and check if there is any update available regarding Instagram. Try to update the application to its latest version, because the reason behind these bugs is the update. Now simply open your Instagram then and go to your profile. Now you have to go to settings, and once you're in settings you have to go to account center right here. Once you're in account center, now you have to link your Instagram account with your Facebook account. So just simply link your account, click continue, and again alright, so here we go. And after linking your Facebook account with Instagram, your problem will be fixed. So this is basically how you can fix message swipe reply over on Instagram. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.